This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This viral literally everywhere right is undoubtedly mind-blowingly effective. Is this the ultimate find of the year? The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it handles heavy usage without any issues. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before the price goes back up. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This viral literally everywhere right is undoubtedly mind-blowingly effective.